Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another story for you today, another short story. Today we're gonna talk about a farm and a farmer. Pay attention, try to understand it. You don't have to be perfect, you don't have to understand everything, okay? But focus, let's go. In a small town, there is a big farm. The farm is known for its fresh fruits and vegetables. Every day the farmers work hard to grow and harvest their crops. One of the farmers is a young man named John. John loves farming. He wakes up early in the morning and goes to the farm. He spends his day planting seeds, watering plants, and picking fruits and vegetables. One day, John finds a small seed in his pocket. He doesn't know what kind of seed it is, but he decides to plant it. He digs a small hole in the ground, puts the seed in it, and covers it with soil. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months. John takes care of the seed. He waters it every day and makes sure it gets enough sunlight. Slowly, the seed starts to grow. It turns into a small plant. John is happy to see the plant growing. He continues to take care of it. He protects it from pests and weeds. He gives it all the love and care it needs to grow. As time goes on, the plant grows bigger and stronger. It grows into a tall tree. The tree is beautiful. It has big green leaves and strong, sturdy branches. John is proud of the tree. He knows that his hard work has paid off. So little seed is now a big tree, guys. One day, John sees something amazing. The tree is full of fruits. The fruits are big and juicy. John is excited. He picks the fruits and takes them home. John's family is surprised to see the fruits. They taste the fruits and find them delicious. They are proud of John. They know that he has worked hard to grow the fruits. John feels happy. He knows that his hard work has paid off. He's proud of his achievement. He decides to plant more seeds and grow more fruits and vegetables. And so, life in the small town goes on. The farm continues to be a place of hard work and success. The farmers continue to grow and harvest their crops. And John, with his love for farming, continues to inspire others. That's it, the end. So remember, guys, with these short stories, pay attention, try to understand it. You don't have to understand everything, but focus on the parts that you understand. You can print the story. The file is on the description of the video, so you can download it, print it. There are the most important words also, they are there. Yes, vocabulary, so you can translate it to your language. So download it, print it, okay? The story was created using artificial intelligence, Copilot, the artificial intelligence for Microsoft. There is a link on the description as well, so you can check it out. And of course, I'm gonna leave extra activities, guys. There are always extra activities on the description of the video, so you can practice your grammar, listening and reading, different websites where you can practice your English, okay? Because remember, guys, there is no secret crazy magic to learn English. It's all about practice. Practice every day, be consistent, and after 6 months, after 1 year, you're gonna see a big difference. Your English will go up. It's automatic. If you practice, you will learn. No practice, no English. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for your time. I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.